Something on Mars is staring back at us from the surface like an open wound in the planet's crust, a perfectly dark, circular portal that seems to lead straight underground into the unknown. NASA's cameras captured it, and scientists are divided on what it really is, because nothing about this hole should look this deliberate, or this inviting to what might be hiding below. Hang on, because this changes how we think about the red planet. High above Mars, the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter's high-rise camera, one of the sharpest eyes we've ever sent to another world, spotted this anomaly on the slopes of Arsia Mons, one of the planet's massive shield volcanoes in the Tharsis region. The pit measures around 178 to 300 feet across, depending on the specific feature discussed in recent analyses, appearing as a near-perfect circular shadow, with steep walls dropping into blackness. These kinds of features, sometimes called skylights, have been observed since the early 2000s with earlier orbiters like Mars Odyssey, but newer high-resolution images keep scientists coming back. They're likely entrances to lava tubes, long, tunnel-like caves formed billions of years ago when molten rock flowed under a hardened crust and then drained away, leaving hollow voids. On Earth, similar lava tubes in places like Hawaii or Iceland create vast underground networks that can stretch for miles, staying remarkably stable. Mars, with lower gravity and less tectonic activity, could preserve even larger versions. This particular pit on Arsia Mons sits high on a volcano that last erupted perhaps millions of years ago, offering a potential gateway to a subsurface world shielded from the brutal surface conditions. Intense radiation, dust storms, and temperature swings from 70 degrees Fahrenheit down to -200 at night. But then something strange happened when scientists tried to peer deeper. The images show only one illuminated wall, with the rest vanishing into total darkness. No bottom visible, no obvious debris pile from collapse. It doesn't behave like a simple impact crater or sinkhole. The geometry is too clean, the depth too inviting for something natural on a geologically quiet planet. Could this really be a stable portal to an underground realm that once channeled rivers of lava the size of cities? What if this hole isn't just a geological curiosity, but a window into Mars' hidden past that could rewrite everything we know about where life might still cling on today? Layer by layer, the data builds the intrigue. Mars was once a volcanic powerhouse, with eruptions reshaping the surface on a massive scale. Lava tubes form when the top of a flowing lava river cools and crusts over, while the hotter interior keeps moving. When the source stops, the tube empties, leaving a hollow pipe. On Mars, these could be enormous, hundreds of feet wide and stretching dozens of miles, because the weaker gravity allows for bigger structures without collapsing. HiRise has cataloged several candidates around Arsia Mons, part of a cluster sometimes nicknamed features like the Seven Sisters from earlier discoveries. Next chunk, temperature and radiation protection. The Martian surface is hostile, bombarded by cosmic rays and solar particles, with no global magnetic field to deflect them. Underground, inside a lava tube, temperatures stabilize near freezing or slightly warmer from residual geothermal heat, and the thick rock overhead blocks deadly radiation. Models suggest these caves could maintain conditions where liquid water brines might persist, or where ancient microbes could have found refuge as the surface dried out billions of years ago. Then there's the exploration angle. Rovers like Perseverance and Curiosity can't climb into these pits, but orbiters keep mapping more. Some pits show collapsed sections or chains of openings, hinting at connected networks. The mystery expands with each new image. No signs of recent activity, yet the darkness calls out for closer inspection. But that's not even the strange part. While most agree these are natural lava tube skylights, a deeper tension simmers in the scientific community. Why do some pits look almost too perfectly round, as if something widened them or prevented full collapse? Could seismic Marsquakes or residual volcanic activity still be shaping them? Others debate if microbial life, or evidence of it, could survive in the protected darkness, especially since surface missions have found organics and signs of ancient water. There's disagreement on how deep and how extensive these systems really are. Some simulations predict networks large enough to shelter future human colonies, shielding astronauts from radiation and providing ready-made habitats. Others warn of instability or unknown hazards lurking in the uncharted voids. The data challenges our view of Mars as a dead world. It might still be hiding active or preserved underground environments. Zoom out to the bigger picture, and this portal isn't just about one hole on Mars. It reframes humanity's entire future in space. If these underground networks are as widespread and stable as they appear, they could be the key to sustainable bases on Mars. Protected from surface killers, they offer natural insulation, potential ice deposits for water and fuel, and shielding for long-term living. For Earth, it underscores how planets evolve. Mars lost its atmosphere and magnetic field, driving any life underground or to extinction. Understanding these portals helps us grasp why Earth stayed habitable while its neighbor didn't. On a cosmic scale, lava tubes might be common on rocky worlds, meaning the universe is riddled with hidden refuges where life could endure. This discovery weighs on us emotionally too, reminding us how isolated and exposed we are on our own surface, yet how the cosmos provides these natural invitations to explore deeper. Tying back to that initial shock of the dark portal staring up at us, the mystery remains wide open. We've only glimpsed the entrance. What lies beyond in those shadowed tunnels is still unknown. Is it just ancient rock and dust, or something more? Preserved clues to Mars' wet past, or even signs that the planet never fully died? The unanswered tension pulls at us because it feels personal. Another world offering a literal doorway underground, challenging us to descend and confront what it means for life in the solar system. If you had the chance to send a robot, or yourself, through that strange portal on Mars, would you dare to find out what's waiting in the darkness below? Tell me in the comments. Your take might shape how we all think about our red planet neighbor. If this journey into Mars' hidden underworld made you feel that spark of cosmic curiosity and wonder about what else is out there, hit follow. Share it with fellow space enthusiasts who crave these revelations, and let's keep uncovering the universe's secrets together. Stories like this thrive when thoughtful minds like yours spread the word.